Hi, I'm Emma Powers. This is my first time making a video, so if you don't think this is good, but I don't care. Okay, watch this. Oh, never mind.
And where's your collection? Where's your collection? Where's your
Okay.
Hello. Some people's coming here. I need something to be my project.
Okay. Here we go. I'm gonna tell you a secret. Hi. That was my secret. Well, would you like to see my little sister? Here's my little sister.
Hi, sister.
Say hi, people.
Hi, people. Hi, people.
That's really funny. Bye. Bye.
Why say bye-bye?